As a worker, you have three basic rights. The first is the right to know. Your employer has the responsibility to tell you about the hazards on the worksite. These may be hazards in jobs that you're doing, or they may be hazards in jobs that somebody else is doing on the worksite. Nevertheless, if you're exposed to them, your employer has the responsibility of telling you, and you have the right to know. If you're not sure what's happening, if you're not sure what you're supposed to do, ask questions. You also have the right to speak up. If you're uncertain of a task that's been assigned to you, if you're unsure of how to use a piece of equipment, it is your right to speak up, to ask for the proper training, to ask for your employer to show you, and to be given the opportunity to demonstrate that you know how to do something before you're asked to do it alone. As a worker, you also have the right to refuse. If you're asked to do something which you know is unsafe, if you're asked to do something for which you haven't received the proper training, then you have the right to refuse that work, and to refuse it without being penalized. You also have responsibilities, and these responsibilities include following safe work procedures that have been outlined for you, asking for training, using personal protective equipment, either which you have provided yourself or which an employer has provided for you, and identifying if there are hazards that you've seen. No paycheck is worth getting hurt for.